Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the Crypto Show. Today's episode, I'm in my backyard, well, my mom's backyard, but here we go, engulfing pattern. I told y'all before, based off of my analysis, the zone right here got respected. I missed the entry has been missed. I might enter on an engulfing on a later setup, but if you did catch that setup around that 23 continuation, take profit is around here. That trend line has been held on this horizontal motion, so we should see some upside movement. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna break down why I thought all of this and why I have these zones set up in the next probably 10 minutes or 15 minutes or so. And it's very interesting because this was like fibs like left on. People said, oh, it's going down to 65. I mean, I see reasons why it to go down to 65, but if we go into higher time frames, we can see that these patterns, even this, like this last setup that there might be a retest for on my monthly indecision level right here, this thick line, it's still holding. It's still holding. And then we have this trend line break with this candle or this candle on a higher time frame, such as the daily or weekly. It was bullish, and with those bullish momentum inside the market, we can expect a lot of, this is an engulfing variation. If this candle holds to be true, take profit could be here. We can see some bearish movement back in the market around this area. Like I said, BTCUSD, in my opinion, has been going sideways. When it goes sideways, I should be talking about other pairs or looking at other pairs. Even if you look at this 4 hour, and if this candle right here closes bullish on the 4 hour, it confirms the 4 hour, zone that we have over here, where it just barely touched it, last kiss type of setup. We can see a lot of pips out of this move, a lot of upside projection, because even on the 4 hour we had our test, then here would be the retest, upside motion, take profit around 10k. I believe by the end of this year, I projected 25k by the first quarter of the year, which didn't happen. It's going to take a lot longer than I thought. There was a lot of FUD. There was a lot of quote-unquote other coins that, took a different entry in this market and caused a lot of bearish moves. Or maybe they got the blame for the bearish moves and it wasn't even them. They just got caught up in market manipulation. We don't know. But for now, I believe there's a lot of upside still in BTCUSD. That trend line, I think, is a weekly trend line. Yeah. And there was this engulfing. But this might be a pullback for this push down. Who knows? Based off the weekly, we still see some. This might be a weekly double bottom. We don't know. This is wait and see type of trading. But for now, we do know that if this plays out, holds true, closes up here, and we see some upside, we won't see another bearish market for possibly some weeks. If this bullish run does come up to this 13k area and it breaks this zone right here that I have, but I do see a possible retest of this exhausted area, which means there is some potential downside movement before it does go back up. But for now, the zone that, based off of this engulfing on this cipher, no, this was a bat. The cipher is this one. This is bullish cipher. So we do project some bullish movement, possibly. It's a wait and see type of thing. Let's go down back to the 4 hour and talk about relative, support and resistance off that last engulfing. Let me fix this average up a little bit right here. Boom. Where price came. Yeah, nice 23.6 continuation, We can take our trend line. One touch, two touch, and around a 45-degree range here. Let me move this a little bit. Using just simple trend lines, we can wait. If we get a break on a smaller time frame of this candle right here, we'll have more of a confirmation somewhere, possibly in a 30-minute candle area. Can tell us a lot. Just this move right here, just waiting on certain confirmations, this play out and be completely a whole different thing. Because I won't consider this uptrend at a break of structure until it breaks at the this 23.6, which it hasn't, based off of where I have it now. But yes, because this trend line, this was a strong trend line bounce, which means like all this area right here is still being tested, which can come back up into this range and continue to shoot up, which I'm expecting a continuation of this trend line, maybe around the third bounce, maybe somewhere around 9K-ish of this zone or this zone touch in the future will let me know, hey, it's going to continue to go back down. But I'm waiting. This is all a waiting game. But where we currently have price action, a lot can still happen. A lot of people would have their fibs based off here, and still, that would be an aggressive 38.2, which would mean that this still is going to take some time to play out. But I don't like to do it from that push. I like to get my original push and maintain my orders. I forgot, I think it was a 4 hour and a 1 hour. Go back. Shouldn't move my fibs like that. I can use the 1 hour for a better average though. Boom. Nice 23, yes. Continuation, which gives me confirmation that there's still a lot of bullish movement. When I go to a 4 hour to check out my higher time frame, I'll just be looking for entries. If I get a break of this trend line on that trend line, the pullback of that will let me know, hey, what you thought before is really what the confirmation I'm looking for. Because it can continue to go down. There is a lot of potential down towards this 78 and come and retest and go sideways. Because crypto's volatility is different than any regular pair. Let's go on xrpusd, which is Ripple. Ripple also is very nice, but it's a high risk. There's a really big risk. Or you can be taking, I mean, Bitcoin also, but Bitcoin has, like, when it moves in one direction, which gives you a chance. XRP, see, it's very scary. Very scary. But crypto is going on a wave. A massive wave. Let's do a top down real quick. Let's start from the daily. Yeah. There's still a lot of selling opportunity. Bitcoin might be on the way down. Bitcoin, yeah, see that nice daily. Oh, I'm sorry about that. This daily continuation. Yes, we might see Ripple back down to around 30 cents. I might be looking for areas of opportunity to buy around that area. And let's see how it goes. But for now, it has held that 50, 55 cents range. I bought high. I bought up here. I'm gonna buy at better. I'm gonna buy in bulk at a lower price. I want to see a retest of some sort, and then we should see a nice drive up. Ripple is gonna shoot up again, and then a lot of people are gonna miss that wave, not understanding like volatility. It'll understanding volatility will change your trading. Just understand that. Which days to trade, which time frame. You can always go back. You have your months, you have your days, and you know you can break down your charting into however you want to. But I see Ripple still pushing down a little bit longer. It did have a nice little pullback. For anyone who sold up here, you're still good. I would say place a stop profit around 60 cents, 65 cents, and just ride it out until around like 30 cents. And then from there, you'll be pretty good. That's my analysis for now. I think Bitcoin is heading on its way back up. Ripple is going to shoot down a little bit longer than shoot up. And let's enjoy these cryptos. Thank you for watching my channel today. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next episode. And more how-to videos are on the way.